April 25, 1980. Plane crashes on Canary Islands, killing 146. A Dan Air Boeing 727 carrying British tourists to the Canary Islands crashes and kills all 146 on board on April 25, 1980. This terrible crash came just 3 years after another even deadlier accident at the Canary Islands airport. In 1977, a KLM jumbo jet had collided with a Pan Am plane on the runway. 570 people were killed. The collision occurred when communication problems between the planes and air traffic controllers exacerbated already dangerous foggy conditions. On April 25, 1980, similar problems at the same airport had tragic results. It was late morning and cloudy when a chartered jet arrived from Manchester, England. The plane was carrying 138 passengers, bound for the beaches of Tenerife. An